Currently, plain zebras are distributed widely across sub-Saharan Africa, thriving in expansive grasslands and open woodlands. In Kilimanjaro, the bushland provides them with an ideal habitat, where short grasses flourish and natural water sources are plentiful. Recent data from 2023 estimates the zebra population in this region to be approximately 1,200 to 1,500 individuals. The stability of this population highlights the essential role of the bushland ecosystem in providing habitat and sustenance for this species. Amidst the low shrubs and dense grasslands, dik-diks hide among the undergrowth to avoid detection by predators. When sensing danger, a dik-dik emits a sharp,